Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends. I got this Dirt Devil broom vac at a yard sale for $3, and the guy told me it works. All you gotta do is plug it in and charge it. Well, I plugged it in and charged it and it doesn't work, so I'm gonna take it apart and see what's wrong with it, and find out if I can fix it or not. I got all the screws out and I'm trying to figure out how to take it apart. I couldn't get this thing to spread apart because it had this on there, but now I got that off, I can't get it completely open, so I'm going to try and get it without breaking it. We'll see what happens and we'll see what's on the inside. Alright, I got the lid off on this broom vac. It's got 4 rechargeable batteries in there. I have it turned on and it does not work. I checked it with my little voltmeter and all 4 batteries are dead as a doornail. That's it. It's got just a little circuit board in there, and it looks like C batteries, what they look like. Little Energizer batteries, yeah, Energizers, but they're dead as a doornail. So I'm gonna try and get that motor out and test the motor, see if the motor works. And don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but that's what I'll be doing. All right, I got the motor out of the thing. There's the connections, on and off switch, batteries out. These batteries are dead. 4 of them. Took them out. I got my 12-volt power supply hooked up to some alligator clamps, and the motor is fine. Hook it back here. Really high torque, this little motor. Pretty strong for a little broom vac. A little spark here when I hook it. Well, the motor works, but the batteries are dead. I have it hooked up to the 12-volt wire. This is let's hook it up to the 3-volt wire. Hope if I turn it on. 3-volt. Hook it to the 5-volt. It's a strong little motor. Don't know what I'll do with it, but the batteries probably cost more than what the vacuum is worth. So I'm not going to put it back together. There you have it, the insides of Dirt Devil broom vac. $3 I paid for that. I really wanted it to work because I really was going to use it. This is the circuit board for the Dirt Devil. It says red 18 AWG plus battery terminal, and the LED 1R1, 1D1, that says. There you have it. Kind of warm the thing. It's got like a little turbine thing here for sucking the garbage up off the floor.